guys, I've got a real sense of regret with starting this now, but I kind of got some sleepless nights after cutting these holes. It's just not good enough. I'm going to have to cut the whole thing off properly. It looks solid behind there, but until I cut it off I ain't going to know. The other side isn't as bad, there's only a very little overlap on the other side. Overlap, sorry, but on this side the overlap is huge, and like I say, losing sleep over it. So wish I'd never made these holes to begin with. Hopefully I haven't just made myself a load of work, but let's get the grinder out, let's cut it out, and let's have a look what's behind. Wish me luck. I might call this a big reveal. Let's have a look, see what we're dealing with then. That's still welded along the floor pan now, so I'm just going to peel it down at the moment. So have a look. It ain't looking that bad, guys. You can see how rusty it is on the joint though, can't you? And there is wax oil in there, but won't have been doing much. I think we might need to, gonna need something up the back there. For the moment, I'm just gonna buzz along there. So guys, the ceremonial removal of the Coversill Oversill. Begone dreaded Oversill. Doesn't want to give up without a fight. Hey, here we go. So that's it, and it don't look too bad under here. I'm really pleased. I mean, this is perfect, that's fine there. Might have to do a bit of a repair at the back here. And that's a right flipping bodge up. They just oversealed straight over the top of that rear jacking point there. So I'm sure that's probably going to need a patch in there. And at the front solid, it got welded from the inside last year. So I just need to get rid of the line of weld down the middle now. Just make sure it hasn't corroded up along that line as well. Look at that, guys, there's the part sticker, Magnum quality panels 030106 by the looks of it. Yeah, but you can see the problem it causes here. This is the inside. See the rust where it collects and overlaps to the bottom. So that, I don't think it's, on Vinny it seems alright, I'll have to check it. It doesn't look like it's corroded upwards, but obviously this whole area in here is just ripe for corrosion with an Oversill on. It's off now, done. Well guys, unfortunately rain stopped play. I was getting really stuck into that. It's been going pretty well. I might have also made another monumental balls up. I've just picked up the Faux Pro, and I know it's got loads of burn marks on the lens where I've obviously been grinding or cutting or welding a little bit too close to it. So I'll see how that looks on video in editing, but I might just I'll just show you where we are so far. So like I say, frustrating because of the weather, because I'd like to get a little bit further progress with this, but it's been going pretty well, pretty pleased. So if we look at the back here, and I've just put cure rust along it at the moment just to start protecting it, but we're welded at the back here, welded all the way along here, welded here, so this is on solid now. And as you see, it's pretty solid. Doesn't look great down in this corner here. I might have to do some more work down there, maybe a patch. I think that sits within the companion bit. And the original weld line for the Oversills is there, so I've ground most of that off, not all the weld though.